Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an updated iPhone, an Apple ID, and Wi-Fi, so start there. First, open Settings and tap your name. This jumps you into account controls. Once done, check that you're signed in and that two-factor authentication is active. This protects iCloud access. Make sure iCloud backup is visible in the menu. If any step shows an error, pause and confirm your Apple ID password, then proceed to enable the specific iCloud services you plan to use. Now you decide what to sync. In Settings, tap iCloud and go through the list. Toggle Contacts, Calendars, Photos, and Drive to match your workflow. For photos, enable iCloud Photos to keep originals in the cloud. This saves space but uses storage. For messages, turn on Messages in iCloud so conversations sync across devices. Next, enable iCloud Backup and run an immediate backup. This ensures recent data is safe before you change device. Finish by managing your storage. Open Settings, tap iCloud right arrow Manage Storage, then upgrade or delete large backups and files if you hit limits. If setting up a new iPhone, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and confirm the backup date. This restores apps, settings, and data. Make sure Wi-Fi stays connected until restore completes. If sync or backup fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and if needed, reset network settings. That often clears stalled iCloud operations and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.